When comparing two fractions that are in different forms, like these two fractions here, I have a mixed number and an improper fraction, you want to make them into apples to apples. Right now, they are apples to oranges. They're in two separate forms. To make them into apples to oranges, you can simply draw your model for your mixed number. So I have 3.5. That means I'm going to make models that are showing my denominator, 1/2, and I want to show 3 whole models plus 1/2. There's 1 whole shaded in. Here are 2 wholes shaded in. Here are my 3 wholes shaded in. And then last, here is my 4th whole, but I'm only going to shade in 1/2. So I have 1, 2, 3.5. If I want to see how much it is as an improper fraction, then I would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This also equals 7.5. Now I can bring my improper fraction down and I can see that these two fractions are equivalent. Let's try another one. So again, I have apples to oranges. I'm comparing an improper fraction and a mixed number. I want to compare apples to apples. So I can change these fractions, or at least one of them, so that they look like the other. Again, I think it's easier to draw the mixed number in a model. So I'm going to start with my 2 wholes, and we're working with a model of 6. So I'm going to split this 3 ways here and then in half, and that gives me my 6th. My first model is going to be 1 whole. I'm going to draw another model of my 6th, split it into 3 and then in half, and I need 2 wholes. And then I need a fractional amount of 5/6. So I'm going to draw a third model, still split into 6, but this time I'm going to shade in 5 of those 6 parts, 4 and 5. Now I can count how many spaces are shaded in for my improper fraction. So I'm still working with a model of 6, so I keep my denominator the same. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That means that 2 and 5/6 is equal to 17/6. I'm going to bring down the fraction that I'm comparing it to, 15/6, and I see that 17/6 is greater than 15/6, or in my number sentence, 15/6 is less than 17/6. And we'll do one last problem together. Again, I'm comparing apples to oranges. I can't compare a mixed number with an improper fraction, but I can compare an improper fraction with an improper fraction or a mixed number with a mixed number. Again, I'm going to draw this as a model. So 2 1/4. I'm going to make 1 whole model into fourths, and I'm going to shade that in. I need another whole. Here's my second model of fourths, and I need 2 of them shaded in. And then I need a third model that shows 1/4. So here's my third model with 1/4 shaded in. Now I can change it into an improper fraction. I have 4 is my denominator because I'm still working with a model of fourths. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 shaded parts. So 2 1/4 is equal to 9/4. Now I can bring down that improper fraction and I can compare apples to apples. 9/4 is less than 10/4. Use your models, draw your models to make your apples to apples, just like I did. Good luck.